If you saw a drowning squirrel floating in a swimming pool, would you attempt resuscitation?
Come on, little guy, you can't die.
I would do it for anybody. A rodent, a dog, a cat, anything.
Rick Gruber is an animal lover and a pool repairman in Phoenix, Arizona. He fished this guy out of a pool he'd been working near, draped him over a plastic pipe, and tried to remember what he'd learned in CPR classes.
I just gently pushed on his ribcage and then squeezed his sides, thinking at some point I'm going to find his lungs.
You're a tough little prairie dog.
Technically, it's a round-tailed ground squirrel, a sort of miniature prairie dog. Within a minute or two, he got the squirrel breathing and transferred it to a nice soft knee pad.
Are you ticklish?
Rick was thrilled to see his patient twitch.
There you go, come on.
Soon it opened its eyes.
I know you probably feel like crap, you were just dead.
No wonder his co-workers have been calling him.
Oh, hey, it's the Squirrel Whisperer. Oh, hey, it's the Squirrel Hero.
The story had a local news anchor in stitches. Now vets tell us that the best way to give a squirrel CPR is to put it on its side, give 10 chest compressions gently using the thumb and forefinger, and then breathe twice directly into the nose. Repeat as necessary until the squirrel revives. But Rick wasn't putting his mouth anywhere.
I thought, no, I don't want to get bitten. I don't want to catch anything from him.
Take your time.
Rick stayed with the squirrel for an hour, recording what he thought would be a cool video to show his friends.
There you go. Just think, little guy, about 35 minutes ago, you were floating in a pool.
Rick coached the squirrel as if it were a buddy who'd had a few too many.
Can you throw up? Kind of give it a hee-ho? Give it the old hoo?
It did spit up some water, though Rick's camera mercifully missed most of that. Finally, the resuscitated rodent walked. And where did it head?
Don't grow up in your shorts.
And don't bite him there. Off it scurried into the desert, leaving the squirrel whisperer behind to utter a final thought.
Pool guys aren't so bad, are they? Come on, little guy, you can't die.
If it weren't for the pool guy, this guy wouldn't have pulled through. Ginny Mo, CNN, New York.